Today I want to show you my new Canon camera. It's a PowerShot V10. I bought this not that I believe it will be better than my Sony camera. The reason I bought this is because my current camera is dying, the display is no longer working. So I'm using the phone for preview. I still can use the viewfinder, but it's very annoying when I have to navigate through the menu. The other reason is I want to use the camera in one hand. I was looking at the DJI Pocket. I've been waiting for the DJI Pocket 3 coming out for a long time. Then I saw this. I can use this one with one hand and taking horizontal video. So it will be very interesting. The other thing I look in the spec here, I can use it with external microphone as well. So that's good for my home YouTube video. So let's open it. Okay, there's nothing exciting here. Card, QR code, some warranty paper, and more paper. As usual, a booklet in all languages. Now this is the inside the box. I'm start seeing problem with the recording with this camera. Keep on stopping. I hope I can finish this video. So that's the inside of my box. Let's have a look. Okay, put this away. This is the wrist strap. I really like it because I hate device I can't secure it on my wrist. Just like my Ricoh 360 camera, I always afraid I can drop it. Okay, what's inside here? There's another QR code. Okay, that's USB Type-C. Now let's open it. Okay. Okay. It doesn't feel that plastic as I thought because I saw some video on YouTube. And here is the display. And I can open it here. This is the stand. So there are two microphones on top. Okay, I have to put this up and close the stand. Here is the socket for external microphone. And here is a mini HDMI. And on the other side is the USB port. So let's have a look. I need to go to instruction and see how it goes. So I've got my 256 GB micro SD card. I'm going to use it and I need to open it here. Okay. Oh, let's open the card here. I've got an adapter here as well. So I have to make sure it's facing this way. I'll turn it back here. Okay, all good. So turn it on. It's loaded. Select the language. Now this is the boring part. I'm going to pause it, setting up all these things. Okay. I got the time and date set up, and now I got a QR code. I'm supposed to scan this and connect to my phone. Let's try it. Go to Google Play, install it. Okay, now I got my camera fully charged. Let's have a look. Say okay, next. Software already installed. Now start the app. Select this one. Grant permission. Pair. Okay, I have to go forward here. Now it seems to be done. So I can set up the Wi-Fi as well. Now I leave it for the moment. Let's check the camera first. Okay, one thing I want to try is the geotagging via the phone. Now you can see the app is running, the Bluetooth is connected. So if I go to settings, now GPS settings, go to enable. Okay, now I've got here a message, go to settings. Now I need to allow location, allow all the time. Okay. Now I say OK, enable. Okay, go to camera mode. So let me take a photo. Okay, let's go to display mode. So you can see there's a geo information here. Now I'm going to test different IS mode. I will try to walk the same path a few times. Let's go. I just took my camera outside to the park and recorded some videos. As you can see, I put my phone on standby in my pocket running the app, and you can see there's a geo data recorded everywhere. I also tested a different compression format. I'm using the 25 frame Full HD, and as you can see here, 31-second video is 107 meg, and the other one, just look at this icon here. I'm going to switch it. This one has an arrow showing down. It's the so-called light format, and it only takes 43 meg for the same duration. I want to give you this information. When you buy the camera, in case you want to buy the SD card as well, so you know what size you need for your purpose. I also found out the touch screen is very useful, although I'm putting my fingerprint everywhere, because when I was outside I hold the camera a little bit lower, so I put up the screen. When I'm on this position, then I can't see my finger where I'm pressing, so it's much easier when I use the touch screen. I can see the screen where I'm touching. Before I set up Wi-Fi, I want to see whether I can connect the Bluetooth without turning the camera on. Okay, it seems I can activate the camera by using the app. So, connecting via Wi-Fi. So I need to set up my Wi-Fi first. It just worked straight away. Let me show you the live image here. Okay. Now what I want to try is the browsing the images on the camera. Let's see if I don't turn on the camera. Okay, now you can pick up the camera. I guess that's via Bluetooth and then switching to Wi-Fi. Okay, now so I can see all the images here. I can now browse the images, and I guess I can import it and then share it. So when I want to download it, maybe I want to delete the location before I share it to somewhere. So okay. Open photo app. Okay, yeah, then I can just do like any other photo on my phone. Share it or whatever. Nice. So now I'm recording with my new camera and I'm looking at the small screen. The screen is so small that it's very close to the lens. I hope it's not that obvious. I'm looking at the screen. I'm looking into the lens now. I'm quite happy with the external microphone. That's what I always wish to have when I do the YouTube video at home. And the other thing is I always want to have a camera which I can hold with one hand and do horizontal video, because with the mobile phone it's very hard to do horizontal video with one hand. And one thing I'm a little bit disappointed with this camera is I got it fully charged and went to a park, did some recording, and now it's already flat. Because the Bluetooth is always on, I need to put it on flight mode to save power. I have to go to the settings. It should be a button somewhere I can turn it totally off. The other thing is I try to plug in the USB. It's charging, but as soon as I turn on the camera, it seems the recording has stopped. Now it's also blinking already. That is, power is almost gone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.